So one thing that I've really enjoyed from knowing you and working with you is the fact that actually we don't need to do more, we can do less. And that seems to be something that applies across the 9 areas. Can you share something about that with us?
You know, when things are aligned, there's very little effort that's required to accomplish anything. If you look at a door, which probably weighs anywhere between 200 to 300 kilos, when the hinges are properly aligned, a small child can push it open. So when the hinges in all these 9 areas are perfectly aligned, with a little effort, we can make things happen. Things just start to work. We don't look at these 9 areas very carefully to find what is out of alignment. Instead of that, we're very happy pushing and shoving a door where the hinges are not aligned, and somehow or the other making things happen, and that becomes our pattern, and we get used to it. And that's called getting used to so much mediocrity in our life. When effortless is an option, and we can really work with an effortless way of making things happen, if we just pause and take stock of these 9 areas and find the pieces that are out of alignment and align them. And once that happens, results just start to flow.